LeetCode is
Hello, today we'll be doing LeetCode 268, which is missing number. It's a LeetCode easy. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Follow-up, could we implement this using constant space and linear runtime complexity? Here, for the example, we have a list with 3, 0, and 1, and we're missing the number 2 here, so the output is 2. Here we have 0 and 1, and the output is 2 because we're missing 2. To solve this, I'm just going to use two values, which is needed sum and current sum. What we're going to do is just go through the list and get the needed sum, which here would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that would equal 6. And then my current sum, which is my actual sum here, is actually only 1 plus 0 plus 3, which is 4. To get the missing number, I just subtract the sum that I need from the list, which is 6, and subtract 4 from it, and I'll get my output 2. So to do this, I just have to loop through the list. And after I'm looping through the list, I can get my current sum by just adding the number that I'm at to the current sum. And then to get the needed sum, I just have to add the index plus 1. Since indices are 0 based, the first index will be 0, but I actually need it to be 1. So here in this example, it'll be 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Now to get the answer, I just have to do my needed sum minus current sum, and that should give us the missing number. Thanks for watching. I know there's many other solutions. Feel free to comment them below, and I hope this helped.